Alright, it's that time of year again. Time to bust out the scuba gear. I am looking for something I got in the mail a few months ago. Ooh, that one's nice. There she be. I got a little box here from OrcaTorch. Wanted to go ahead and check this out. Let's see what we got. We got the OrcaTorch box. The particular model I got is the D710 dive light. I think it's their most powerful light, but let's see what we got in here. Okay. Comes with a really nice case. It's got their web address on it and the brand name. Wow, that's nice. So we got a user's manual, warranty card. Looks like quick instructions. A wrist strap. The torch itself. It looks like it's put together really well. It looks like that button's going to be really easy to access, even with my big thick gloves on. Comes with O-rings and a charging cable possibly. But let's see what we got here. It unscrews right in the middle. So it's triple O-rings. That's good for keeping the water out in the seals. Looks like they got a little battery guard in here. Go ahead and carefully thread this back together. Alright, wow, that is bright. I cannot wait to check this out. Looks like it's got 3 modes. That's probably high, medium, low, and off. That's going to be really handy. I can't wait to check this out. Dive season starting, so I'll probably be able to test this bad boy out in the next couple weeks.